Alrighty, let's try this again. Alright, so here's my 2016 Ford Mustang Ecoboost. Apparently my first video failed. I apparently took a picture, not a video. Anyways, it is Sunday, July 9th. It's about 9 a.m. or so. This is my stock turbo, stock downpipe, and I have it mated to my Maperformance catback, which is a 3-inch into a pair of resonators on a 2.5-inch split, and those go to a pair of MagnaFlow street mufflers. They're the universal streets, so they're not vehicle specific. I had those welded in. This setup is still tuned. I'm still running methanol. I'm running about 24 plus pounds of boost. Currently I'm hitting anywhere between 230 and 235 horse and about 393 torque, which is actually fairly good for the stock setup. But what I've noticed with the exhaust is that it's a lot milder than it was with the 3-inch catless downpipe, even in the cabin. It's got a little bit of a hum to it, but it's nothing nothing crazy. It's deeper, a little more throaty. Let's see here. I'll do a little quick run through my favorite industrial park. Hopefully my phone won't fall down this time like it did earlier. Give you guys a little. There we go. All right. See how she does. That's a little better. Phone didn't fall over from the wind this time. Anyways, that's my short clip. Gives you an idea of the difference in the sound on the exhaust going to the stock downpipe. Let's see, turn that off. Response is about the same. I'm probably spooling a little quicker, I think, because I don't have the back pressure from the stock resonator, which was horrible. Still making good boost. I also found that on my last setup prior to selling my turbo kit, the Precision Turbo, which I think was a 50, what was it, a 5862, I think. It apparently I had a bad electronic boost controller, which was the reason why I was having boost problems, so inconsistent boost. And on top of that, I apparently had a bad methanol controller, which was also contributing to boost loss, because that couldn't even hold. It could hold 15 pounds of boost, and anything above 15 pounds of boost, it would just leak out. And no matter how much boost you applied, you couldn't get it to even sit at 25. So apparently between those two were primarily the issues I was having with the inconsistent boost levels on the previous turbo kit. Since I replaced the electronic boost controller, boost is now where it should be, solid all the time. I still don't know what was wrong with it, but that's all right. The methanol kit, I haven't received the new controller on, and I'm actually not even running it right now. It's controller's not back from AEM yet, so I would expect to see a little more boost and power once I get that back in. So, but if you have any questions or comments, post them below. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.